Imagine a world filled with green grass, beautiful color flowers, with birds singing their beautiful tunes, vanishing into nothing. Now imagine dry, hot, colorless floors that were once green. The flowers that were once bright and beautiful are now dead and turning colorless. The birds no longer singing because they're dying off from the lack of water supplies that keeps them alive. The world could come to the second image that I put into your head if we don't start saving water. An average person a day, just one day, wastes 30 gallons of water a day. That is a lot of water if you ask me, and that is only one person, one day. Imagine adding that up yearly with trillions of people and their daily lives of wasting water. It is a terrifying thought to ponder over, isn't it? Well, it's true. People don't know the damage that they do to the world in their daily lives. And that's why the people that are knowledge of this problem, like myself, can help spread the word and help more people become aware of this problem and help guide them to solving this issue. Now that I have your attention on the topic itself, here are some ways that I save more water that you could possibly use too. In the beginning of our day, we brush our teeth. Well, I hope that we do. Most people leave the water running, which wastes a lot of water. To help prevent that, they should turn off the water while brushing their teeth, like me and my family does. Another way that I found useful to help save more water is catching rainfall. This can help save more and can also help your plants. The water can be used to water them. Use it for washing your hands. You can even sterilize it to make it drinking water. These are some of the few ways that I do to help save more water, but there are plenty more ways to do so. Now let's make a change, use less water, and save more. Make the world beautiful, not dead. Life could be a little more greener if we save more water. Thank you.